Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 4. We've already really jumped into a number of different topics, a number of different discussions. So this week we're going to talk about preparing and delivering a speech. Now, preparing and delivering a speech can be complicated. It of course can be intimidating. So we're going to talk about all those things and kind of talk about the science behind it. So when we jump into these chapters, chapters 9 and 10, just a reminder, the course ebook, when it went from version 1 to version 2, switched from chapter 7 to 8 to 9 and 10. There's really no difference. So when you see in the lecture it says 7 and 8, it's the same thing as 9 and 10. So don't worry about it there. From that perspective, it's not any different. Look at the lecture. It's about 15 minutes long, of course, and it's got a lot of great information in it. Also, there's a cool video on stage fright, which talks about the science behind stage fright, why people get nervous. It's a great video. It's probably one of my favorite TED Talks, so take a look at that as well. It's excellent information and stuff that you can use in your future. Take a look also at how to give a great presentation, 7 tips to leave impression, right? It's kind of an older video, but it's got a great message. Now, this is really going to help you when we come to our paper and presentation, because you will have to give a presentation, although it'll be on video. This is going to help you, identify some trends and some tips that you need to use in order to have an effective presentation for your paper, which is a large part of your grade, right? All right, so make sure you read chapters 9 and 10. We already went over that. There's another thing in relation to the public speaking tips that I added here. It's another folder with a bunch of information, some presentations, and some APA formatting for PowerPoint, stage fright, PowerPoint, stuff like that. So you can take a look at that. It's optional, but more material. Again, make sure you look at the slides. So those are the slides that I had in the overview. Remember, it changed in chapters from chapter 7 to chapter 9. And there's not really a difference otherwise. So take a look at that when you get a second. Actually, one should be chapter 10. I'll fix that. I'm not sure why it says that. You have 2 homeworks, right? 2 homeworks this week. Homework for chapter 9, preparing a speech, and homework for chapter 10, delivering a speech. So those are going to be due on a week from Sunday. So that's going to be on the, let me get you the exact date. Time's flying by. It's going to be on the 7th. So that'll be due on the 7th, and then your discussion, of course, is going to be due for your initial post on the 3rd, which is the day before the holiday, so make sure you get it in before the holiday, and your reply on the 7th as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I know you're going to really enjoy this material. It's a great module. It's one of my favorites in the class. So again, hope you enjoy it. I'm looking forward to the discussion posts, and if you need anything, let me know. Thanks so much.